You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I know it's very confusing, but let's go and learn it correctly this time. Well, there are, in fact, different pronunciations, so let's go through. You can always use, which is probably the most common and easy to remember, paradisiacal, 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 all right? Or paradisiacal, that works too. Now, alternatively, and those are also correct pronunciations, paradisiacal, you can say as well, or pronounce the S like a Z. Paradisiacal as well. So you do have different pronunciations, whether you have the third pronunciation as a die or a duh, and the S as a Z or a Z or an S sound. Paradisiacal is your safe bet, but you can also say paradisiacal or paradisiacal or paradisiacal as well. But now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.